Hi, if you want to use 24-hour time format on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then open Settings. From here, scroll down to find General Management tab, and after that, pick Date and Time. Now, if you scroll till the end, you should see this option to use 24-hour format. So, mine is disabled, so I will see it as 1 p.m. But if we enable it by tapping on the switcher, then we would see 13 o'clock. So, to disable or enable, you need to simply tap on the switcher. If it is enabled, then the switcher is blue. If disabled, then gray. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.